Hello, dear students. Today we'll discuss some more numerical problems based on the kinetic energy. Those we have already discussed in the previous class. That is of kinetic energy of a particle executing the simple harmonic motion. That is of half k a square minus x square, right, where x is equal to a sine omega t we have discussed here, where k we have taken x is equal to omega square of m here, where we got it this from the acceleration we have, no, that is of omega square x. This we know. What is this omega we have taken, that is with the help of 2 pi by t it is, as or else we can take in the form of f is equal to minus kx as a simple harmonic motion, where f is equal to m into a, where a is equal to mass by force by m here. Force in terms of simple harmonic motion, that is of minus k by m here into x. This part we are going to write it with the help of what it is, omega square is equal to k by m it is, where we can take omega is equal to root of k by m. Then this we don't want here, where we can take x is equal to omega square of m it is. So this form we have already discussed. And the potential energy of a particle in a simple harmonic motion, that is u is equal to half k x square, where k again we have omega square of m, x is same. This part we have taken general equation of a particle where it is executing simple harmonic motion, that is of a square sine square omega t also we can write, or else simply we can write it as a k square x it is, that is of omega square m of x square it is. Yes, we have got here as potential energy of a particle u is equal to omega square m x square it is. Then general form of this kinetic energy is this, and we have already discussed where the kinetic energy will be maximum, when it will be the minimum in the particle executing simple harmonic motion. These all things we have already discussed in the previous class, where it is kinetic energy at the extreme position it is 0, kinetic energy at the mean position it's a maximum, right, and extreme position it is a 0. Similarly, the potential energy is 0 at the minimum, mean position. Potential energy will be 0 at the mean position. Potential energy is a maximum at the extreme position. So these things we have already discussed. The thing is that using this concept, we are going to find out the means if they asked in the problem, find the kinetic energy of the particle or the total kinetic energy. In terms of total kinetic energy, they can mention find the total kinetic mechanical energy of a particle where particle undergoes the simple harmonic motion. Such kind of problems we are going to discuss here. That is, let us go ahead with the first problem, where the particle find the mechanical energy of a particle where undergoes the simple harmonic motion of a uh, I think first problem is, yes, in the first particle executing the simple harmonic motion with an amplitude a and the displacement, say for example x it is, they may take displacement as a y or x, depend upon their choice it is, of a particle when it is a potential energy is half of its total energy. Then options are given here, a by root 2, a by 2, a by 4 and a by 3. So let us go ahead with the solution. So what is this in the given equation? Particle executing the simple harmonic motion. Amplitude is given. So let us take this is the amplitude here. Value they have not given, but amplitude means maximum displacement from the mean position at x is equal to 0. We are taking x is equal to at a extreme position it is. So this is the position of a particle. I think it's hoped to be particle is at the extreme position. Amplitude is given means it is understood. Maximum displacement from the mean position it is adjusted in the given problem here. The thing is that what is potential energy? Half kx square it is, right? Where k we know it omega square of m it is. So 1 by 2 omega square m here into x square, right? So total energy will be, what is this total energy of a particle? We know that sum of potential energy and kinetic energy. So potential energy is this one, so that is of kx square. You know that what is the total energy, but still I'm writing, should not get any confusion. That is of, we'll make a clarification stepwise we'll do, and later once you catch the point you can do it by yourself without any disturbances here, right? So 1 by 2 kx square plus of 1 by 2 k a square minus of 1 by 2 k x square. So x square cancels, remains with 1 by 2 k a square is remained here. So k x square is remained. Okay, now total energy is of how much it is? 1 by 2 k a square. But in the problem it is given its potential energy is half of its total energy. This was the given, right? So what is half here? Total energy is what here? 1 by 2 of k a square it is, right? So what will happen? 1 by 4 k a square it is, right? So how much it becomes here? 1 by 4. And what is this potential energy? Potential energy is potential energy, we will put it here, 1 by 2 k x square here. So 2 ones are 2 twos are cancelled here, and remains with what here? Kx square is equal to 1 by 2 k a square. Here k is also cancelled. X square is equal to 1 by 2 a square here, where x is equal to root of a square by 2 it is. That means square cancels, remains with the a by root 2. So what is the answer here? So answer is what? A by root 2. Option A it is. I think this part is covered in the, it is not catching. So I will write it this form here. So x is equal to root of a square by 2 it is given. So square it's cancel, x is equal to a by root 2. So answer is first option. So how this kind of problem is given, how to calculate? Then once you know the formula, quickly you can apply and you can go for the solution of it. So simultaneously same kind of problem, but a twist is there in that. So we'll take that problem and we will proceed for the graph for the particle executing simple harmonic motion. So we'll go ahead with our next problem, that is when displacement of particle executing the simple harmonic motion SHM is 1/4 of its amplitude. What is the fraction of the total energy is kinetic energy. So it is given, we want to find out the fraction of total energy and the fraction of the kinetic energy to the total energy. What will be the ratio? The options are given 16 by 15 it is, 15 by 16, 3 by 4 and 4 by 3. So let us go ahead with the solution here. Very simple it is. As we move ahead, when displacement of particle executing simple harmonic motion is 1/4 of its amplitude, means displacement will be taken it as a x. We know this is as a sine omega t it is. So this part is 1/4 of amplitude, means 1/4 of amplitude. So directly I am taking it as a A by 4 it is. Means particle is at, in which position particle is from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to A by 4 it is, or else 1 by 4 A it is. So it is at this position. So we need to find out the ratio here. Ratio, they have asked the kinetic energy and the total energy of this. So that we have to go ahead here. X is got it here. A by 4 it is. Now we'll move on to the, what is that, kinetic energy form. So kinetic energy form, that is of Ke is equal to 1 by 2 K of A square minus x square it is. So put x is equal to, means we got no here A by 4. So place it here 1 by 2 K square, K A square minus A by 4 whole square it is. Right, what we are getting, 1 by 2 K A square minus A square by 16 it is. Right, so we are getting 1 by 2 K of what is the 16 square minus of 1 square, that will be 15 by 16 A square it is. Right, so this part we got it, that is of kinetic energy. So we need to find out here total energy here. So total energy, we have total energy form of a particle 1 by 2 Ka square. This you should remember. So for every particle or every problem, if you are going for adding of potential energy, kinetic energy, it's a waste of time. So better you keep it in mind that what is the general form of, or a final form of a total energy experienced by the particle here, that is of 1 by 2 K A square it is. Now I'll just erase this one. Okay, now what is this? Total energy is 1 by 2 K square. What they have asked here, fraction of the total energy is a kinetic energy, means kinetic energy by total energy here. So kinetic energy and total energy. Kinetic energy, how much it is? 1 by 2 K of 1 by 2 K in bracket 15 by 16 A square it is, divided by 1 by 2 K of A square it is. So make it a common thing here, 1 by 2 K A square by 15 by 16 it is, divided by, I think camera is not catching. Okay, we'll do it here, 1 by 2 K A square here. So 1 by 2 K square, 1 by 2 K square cancels each other and remains with. So I'll erase this question only, so that we'll get the final part, that is kinetic energy by total energy. We are getting 1 by 2 K of A square, 15 by 16 we got, no. So 1 by 2 K A square it is. Make it separation here, 1 by 2 K A square. Right, so 1 by 2 K A square, that is 15 by 16 divided by 1 by 2 K A square. So this will get cancels, remains with the 15 by 16. So option is B here. So second option will be the correct answers for the given problem here. So like this you can solve the plenty of problems related to finding the total energy, total mechanical energy of a particle, potential energy executing the simple harmonic motions. So by this we will have the next topic, that is of graph oriented. So in many competitive questions they have asked the equation of a particle or the execution of a particle in under simple harmonic motion represented with a graph, or sometimes they will give the graphs. We need to identify in which time period what is the position of a particle in the, or it is in undergoing the simple harmonic motion. So that we are going to deal it here, that is graph in simple harmonic motion. Now graphs, how to frame or framed graph to identify which position of the particle in simple harmonic motion. So that is very very important here. It is not catching. Okay, graphs in a simple harmonic motion it is, right? In simple harmonic motion. So generally again we have to identify here particle executing the simple harmonic motion. So this will be, I think you will be bored of this doing a diagram, but until you get practice you have to take the same diagram of it. So this is of positive extreme term, this is of negative extreme term, minus a it is, right? And when body is moving from a mean position to the extreme position, either it is a positive or the negative extreme position, we have an equation that is of x is equal to a sine omega t. If it is moving in the negative direction, we have x is equal to minus a sine omega t. When particle is at the extreme position, moving towards the positive direction, means at that time x is equal to a cos omega t. These things we have already discussed in the first two classes only. In the extreme position, if particle executing the simple harmonic motion, at that time x is equal to minus a cos omega t it is. So these things you have to remember, and it is very simple also. When particle executing simple harmonic motion from the mean position to the positive extreme position, so at that time what is that? A sine omega t. This should be remembered. That's it. When particle is at the positive extreme position, moving in the sense what? Executing simple harmonic motion, moving towards the mean position, obviously it is. So that time particles equation will be a cos omega t. So similarly, negative direction means negative extreme position to the mean is minus a cos omega t it is. Mean position to the negative extreme position, that is of minus a sine omega t here. So this is very important to understand the graphs in simple harmonic motion. This is the general format. Okay, now the same diagram I will keep it aside here, so that again and again if you do the same diagram means you will also get bored. The things is to remember this part I am writing here. This is a, while studying the graph, this will be fixed here. Negative x direction, mean position it is, extreme position of -1, positive extreme position where x is equal to positive a here. Now we have understood from here it is moving a sine omega t it is, right? So from here it is moving means x is equal to minus a sine omega t. From here it is moving x is equal to a cos omega t. From here it is moving x is equal to minus a cos omega t it is. This is the equation of a particle, right? So in graphs, these are very important. Now let us go ahead with the one example. We have a general equation that is of x is equal to a sine omega t plus phi. So this is also general equation of a particle executing simple harmonic motion, where here why pi is not there at the mean position, right? At the mean position when t is equal to 0, then phi will be making no angle. That's why phi will be equal to 0 here, and the remaining part is a sine omega t. And here in this case also, where particle is executing simple harmonic motion, at this position this will be the t is equal to 0, and this will be the t is equal to 0, so it will remain with the omega t only. When we have a phase, means initial phase, it is created, that also we have studied in the phasor diagram. If you want more clarification, go back to the previous classes and then clarify, come to this videos. So until you have not clarified the previous one, you should not proceed for the next one, because it will be a bit difficult for you to understand, and that's it. That's it, nothing else. So you have to go ahead. Now if you go ahead with the graph, right, graph of displacement, right? So t at the time period on x-axis here, and I will go ahead with the x. So let me go ahead with this positive x here, same form, positive I've taken up here. This is the x is equal to 0 mean position, and x is equal to minus a extreme position it is, right? Now when particle executing the simple harmonic motion here, right, so it will move from here right? I said this is a 4 stages or 4 steps are there. That is of first one here. Again this is going second, this is of third, and this is of fourth. So I'm going to write the time period here. From mean position it is going means I will write it here t. T by 4 means in the fourth part, this is the first part it is in the time period. Again it will go from the extreme position to mean position. I will write it here 2 times. So second time, no, it is first time, second time. Third time means t by 4. Third time it is. And the last one is 4t by 4. So we can write it in the simple form as here t by 4 will be remain same. Here it will be written as a t by 2. Here it will be written as a 3t by 4 only. And here I can write it here t. Directly t. That means particle is moving from here, here and here. So this completes one oscillation. 2 and this is of to and fro motion. So where it is started here, no, to and fro motion. If you go ahead with the extreme here, that means it will come with the extreme point to mean position, next extreme, mean and extreme. So this completes the one oscillation. To time required to complete the one oscillation is 2 seconds. That we already know. 1 second is for to motion, another 1 second for is fro motion. So total time taken to complete one oscillation or the completion of one oscillation time period is 1 here. I mean total t it is. Total time period t it is. But execution of simple harmonic motion, 4 steps are there. From mean position to 1, we have taken the particle is executing simple harmonic motion from mean position it is. So it is going here, coming and mean it is meeting at the original. It will not stay here. Again it will move to next extreme, next, and it coming back. When it is coming back to its original position, so that is completion of period. I mean oscillation. If it is coming here means this is not a period. This is not a time period. This also we have discussed in the previous class. Only this part is displacement. Amplitude is the same, but time period is not same. To become time period same, it has to take one more part. That is completion, coming back to one mean position again after completion of process. Fro motion also. To and fro motion. So this is a short form or the short note you have to remember only. Means now look at here. If we go ahead with the a sine omega t plus phi here, that means omega we know it. How much? What is that omega? Omega is equal to 2 pi by t it is. Substitute a sine 2 pi by t of t here. So what you are getting? 2 pi of t here. It is also form here, right? In place of t, I am going to substitute the position from first position, mean to first position to mean to next position to mean. So like this, if I take t is equal to pi by 4, substitute here and check out where you are getting the position of a particle. Now let us go ahead here. X is equal to a sine 2 pi by t into pi t by 4. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. Remains with what here? A sine of pi, t get cancels, pi by 2. So sine pi by 2 is what? 1. That means x is equal to a. X is equal to a it is. That means extreme position where t is equal to t by 4 it is. Now look at here. Body is started from the mean position where mean position is x is equal to 0. So here it is. First particle. After taking a certain path, first point here, that is of t by 4. Right. So what is the position here? X is equal to a. That means here it is. Maximum. Body is moved to the extreme position. Right. Then substitute t by 2t by 4. Second, coming back to original position. Does we get x is equal to 0? For the next position of a particle, let us go ahead. Put t is equal to t by 2. This form I'm taking, right? Where t is equal to t by 2. X is equal to a sine 2 pi by t. T in place of t, here I'm taking t by 2. So 2 ones are cancelled, t are cancels, remains with x is equal to a sine pi it is. Sine 180 degree. Sine 180 degree is 0. Is this coming back to here original position? X is equal to 0 it is. Mean position. So body is came to mean position, right? So this I will call you, that means t by 2 it is. Next substitute this form 3t by 4. So go ahead with the putting the 3t by 4 means going from mean position to the negative extreme position. That means x is equal to a sine 2 pi by t of 3t by 4. So 2 ones are 2, 2s are. T get cancels. Remains with what here? A sine 3 pi by 2. What is here? X is equal to sine 3 pi by 2 is what? Sine 270. So 270 means what? Minus 1. So minus a it is. So minus a. Where we are getting the minus a here? This point, let me go ahead with the 3t by 4. Right? Here I am getting minus a. So here I am getting minus a. Okay. So negative extreme position. Are you following, girls? Next point will be total time period. Where I am getting total time period? T. Put t is equal to t here. So what you are getting? You are getting t only. T get cancels, remains with the 2 pi. When pi itself is a 0, then 360 sine 360 degree is also 0 only it is. So it is also 0 only it is. Now look at to the path. So join it. It comes to below here, right? This is the position, and sorry, this position is this one here, right? Now it is moving. So look at here. This is the path. This is the path you are following. The body execute the simple harmonic motion when it starts from mean position to extreme positive, mean position, negative extreme position, again mean position. So that completes the time period. So this is the representation of graph when body executing the simple harmonic motion from the mean position it is. So body moving here, here, and extreme position negative part, mean position. Extreme at t is equal to 0, mean position it is 0. When you go to the extreme position positive 1, x is equal to a when t by 4. First part it is. Then again it is coming back to 0 because of second time of coming back to origin position, right? Second time means 0 to extreme, extreme to 0. Then again 0 to extreme it is. Which kind of extreme? Negative extreme. So this is the negative extreme. We are getting minus a. Then after going negative extreme, it has to move to mean position. So this kind of graph we are getting. Right? So this is the position where we are getting the equation of a particle executing the simple harmonic motion. If this is about particle is moving from mean position to extreme. If the particle is moving from extreme position to mean position, what kind of graph you are getting? That means we are getting the graph different. So let me go ahead with that. So we have equation of a particle when it is moving from extreme position to mean position. That is of x is equal to a cos omega t here. Again, a cos omega is what here? 2 pi by t into t. Right? These things you should remember here. So this is the graph where t is there here. This is, I'm going to write it here, x is equal to minus a plus a it is, x is equal to 0, x is equal to minus a it is. So let me go ahead with the t by 4, t by 2, 3t by 4, and this is the total time period it is. Particle is moving from extreme position. Let me go ahead with the positive a. That means t is equal to a, t is equal to what here? T by 4. First part. If you are getting confusion, draw it. So extreme position, right? So from here it is started the moving. From here it is started to moving this part, right? So at this position I'm going to take it as a t by 4 it is. Here x is equal to 0 means t is equal to 0. But here t is not equal to 0. T is not equal to 0 also here. It is moving from the first part. So this is the t by 4 it is. So let me go ahead with the taking. You can take t is equal to 0 also here. What you are getting? First we'll take it as a 0 only. So that is full thing is 0. Cos 0 is what here? Let me go ahead. Cos 2 pi by t, capital T 0 it is. Means where particle is executing this simple harmonic motion, extreme position it is. Now cos 0 is 1. 1 in the sense what? A. X is equal to A it is. Now particle is at the 0th position, is at extreme position. At t is equal to 0, particle is at the extreme position because particle is moving from x is equal to A, executing the simple harmonic motion. Why cos omega t is there here? Particle executing the simple harmonic motion from extreme position to mean position. Earlier cases, particle is moving from mean position to extreme position. That's why the particle equation is A sin omega t. These two you have to remember and you have to frame the graph. Very, very, very easiest method and very, very important also. Now, we'll move on to the x is equal to mean. From here to here it came now, right? Maximum to minimum. Then minimum to it has to move negative extreme position it is. It has to move, right? That means what is that? T by 4. Put a t is equal to t by 4 here. So t by 4. What you are getting? A cos 2 pi by t into t by 4. So 2 ones are 2 twos are, right? So t get cancelled. Cos pi by 2. Cos 90 is what? Cos 90 is 0. So it will remains with a 0 only. Right? It will remains with a 0. 0 in the sense what here? Here. Comes to original position. Right? Next, original position to negative extreme position means put t is equal to, what is that? T by 2. Go ahead. X is equal to a cos 2 pi by t of t by 2. 2 to get cancels, pi t get cancels, remains with a cos pi. So cos pi 180 is what here? Cos 180 is 1. What kind of 1 it is? Cos pi is, what is the value? Cos pi. So cos 180 degree is a minus 1. So x is equal to minus a. So pi by 2, t by 2, that is of negative here. Here you are getting. Right? Similarly, 3t by 4 it is. Just substitute and check out. So what you are getting? 3 pi by 4 it is. So 2 pi by t into t by 3t by 4. So 2 ones are 2 twos are, t get cancels, that is of a cos 3 pi by 2. Cos 270. So what is the value? Cos 270, again 0 it is. Cos 90 0, cos 270 0, right? So it is coming 0 only here. See 3 0 it is. Now put T. T in the sense what here? Only T it is. Put T here, last part. So what do your T get cancels, remains with the cos 2 pi. So cos 2 pi means what here? Cos 2 pi, 360 degree. 1 it is. Cos 360 degree is a 180 degree. 1 here. That means x is equal to a. That comes here up. So look at the graph. So graph is moving up here, right? It is coming down, right? So like this it is. So it is coming again. It is coming next here. Look at here. In the previous graph, where the particle is moving from mean position, x is equal to 0 to maximum at 1. When it is particle moving from extreme position to the mean position, that means x is equal to a to 0, mean position to extreme to mean. So maximum in the sense what? Where its velocity is 0 at the extreme position. Maximum is what here? The potential energy will be maximum. So x is equal to positive extreme position from here to mean. Maximum to 0, 0 to negative, negative to mean position it is, and mean position to extreme. So look at here. This is a one form. This is a one form it is. So you can take it here. Extreme position you have started, no? So next continues here. Extreme position, one form it is. From here to here. From here to here it is. Earlier what it is? From mean to mean it is. Now it is extreme to extreme it is. So like this it is. This is a cos. This is of sine. From mean position, sine it is. From extreme position, cos it is. These things you should remember. Next it will come as a velocity of a particle graphical method and the acceleration. That is very important. Now let us move on to the velocity part. By this we can recognize the graphs very easily. So look at here. This is the x, no? So what is velocity here? Dx by dt. We are getting a omega, means we'll go ahead with a simple form only, a sine omega t only. Now a omega cos omega t it is, right? So next, what will be the graphical form? So if you go ahead with the t here, x is equal to a, x is equal to minus a, x is equal to 0 here. Now we have a time period t by 4, t by 2, 3t by 4 and t here, right? So what is the position? Let us go ahead with the velocity here, right? Yes, velocity graph for the particle executing the simple harmonic motion, that is we'll go ahead with the derivation of x here, where x is a equation, general equation for a particle executing simple harmonic motion it is. Now put t is equal to 0 here, first condition. So what we are getting? A omega cos omega is 2 pi by t into 0. So what you are getting here? A omega cos 0. So cos 0 is 1. So a omega here. We know the condition that velocity will be maximum at the mean position. Velocity will be 0 at the extreme position. This we know it. So velocity is minus a omega. So for the extreme position, velocity is a minus a omega here. Velocity will be a omega here plus a omega here. So maximum in the sense what here? Mean position, velocity will be 0 at the extreme position here. So we have a condition that when it will be negative, when it will be positive also. So at the time t is equal to 0 means x is at the 0th condition. So it will be maximum it is. So it will be maximum, right, at t is equal to 0. Then put t is equal to, it has to move no here from then t is equal to t by 4 it is. So what you are getting? A omega cos 2 pi by t into t by 4. So t get cancels, 2 ones are 2 twos are. Cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is what here? Cos 90 is 0. 0 in the sense what? It comes here. So it comes here it is. Velocity graph it is. Same in the cos part also. It comes from maximum to minimum here. Here minimum to the extreme position, and it's coming towards the maximum position, that is in the mean position. So you should understand which is the maximum in the mean position, which is the minimum in the mean position. Velocity is a maximum, acceleration is 0, force is 0 here. Simultaneously, potential energy is 0, but kinetic energy is maximum. The thing is, its body is moving. Body is moving from maximum point to the minimum point here. So one by one you can detail study, will get to know that what is the relation to each other, right? Now put the t is equal to 1 by t by 2 here. So what you are getting? T by 2. A omega cos 2 pi by t of t by 2 it is. So 2 get cancels. A omega cos 2 pi 360 degree. So 360 degree is what here? Minus 1. So you are getting minus omega here. So I am going to write it here, my plus a omega v is equal to minus a omega here. So you are getting this point. So here it is. So you are getting graph here. Now put t is equal to 3t by 4. Are you following? Extreme position to the mean, mean to extreme, extreme to mean. So that means mean to extreme. So like that, it has to complete one oscillation. In that process, how the graph is going on. So that's why, you know, t by 4, 2t by 4, 3t by 4, 4t by 4. Same thing I have explained. Directly I have taken the position here. So what you are getting? X is equal to a omega cos 2 pi by t, because omega is a 2 pi by t here. So that is 3t by 4. So t get cancels, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So here cos 3 pi by 2, cos 270. Cos 270 degree is what here again? 0 only. So again it what happens here? It is coming to 0. Cos is 0. So it is coming here. Now go ahead with putting the t is equal to t. What you are getting here? T is equal to t. T get cancels. Remains with the 2 pi. So what is that 2 pi? Cos 2 pi 360 degree. So cos 360 degree is what again? It is 1 only here. So it will comes 1 means what? A omega. X is equal to a omega here. That is of positive form here. That is of positive form. Right? So again it will come as a up here. So this is the form here. This is the velocity graph it is. Right? This is of t here. This is for, and the range you can able to see, no, these are the amplitude, whatever it is given. This form a it is. The gap is there, that is of amplitude. Now let us move on to the next part, that is of acceleration.